Yes, good morning, ninth class. Yes, we are just discussing the chapter Constitutional Design. Up to now, we have discussed the Constitution of South Africa. Now, I am just discussing why there is a need of the Constitution. So, before discussing that, I am just going to discuss what is the role of the Constitution. First of all, I will just discuss that role of the Constitution. Role. Why we are following this constitution, the role of the constitution. The constitution is first of all, what is a constitution? It is a set of rules according to which our a country governed. Means a role of things, written rules that are accepted by the people living in that country. Means the government is following the rules, and the country people, they are accepting the things. Next, it generates a degree of trust, and that constitution that is necessary for the different kind of people to live together. When we are living in together in a country, so we just follow the different kinds of rule. So such kind of rules we are having, we have to discuss, and we have to follow it together. It specifies how the government will be framed, what will who will pass different laws and take different decisions. Means when the government is selected, so we have to tell that which type of laws framed by the government, and we all follow that. So next one is, it lays down the limits and power for the government also. Means it puts a check on the government also, so it should not turn into a democratic one. Means when we are living in a democratic country, so it's our moral responsibility that we put some check on the government, which exactly tell the people about their rights also. Next, it also expressed the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. Means when we, dear students, we have struggled a lot. When we got the independence. So it's our moral responsibility that the things which we want, or which the people of the country of India want, that it all the things must be included in that constitution. So it's a moral, or the you can say priority, in which just we are following the things. So every country has a constitution. Maybe they are a democratic or non-democratic, doesn't matter, but every country has a constitution. And dear students, you will be surprised to know that India is having the largest constitution in the world, the written constitution. And why it is so? Because when we, or you can say the ministers of India, they have framed the constitution, so they face some of the problems, because at that time we were under the British, and we face a lot of things. So while making constitution, the leader of India political system, they faced some of the problems at that time. So they all wanted to remove that problems in the constitution they have framed. The first one is, making constitution for huge and diverse country like India is not an easy task, because we are living in a country where we are having so much different things with us, so much different religions, festivals we are having. So it was not an easy task for the people to frame a constitution in which all the queries, all the things must be pacified. So the problems faced by that, the country has born through partition on the basis of religious differences and was a have a very bad experience. Beta ji, you know कि at the time of independence we faced a huge uh, division of country also. It was not the division of only the land portion, it was a division of the religious community, it was a division of the manpower, it was a division of the money also. Means we have faced a very bad phase when we got the independence. So the next is British has left it to the rulers whether they want to join India or Pakistan or remain independent. So at the time, beta ji, we are having different kind of things that many of the rulers, they have become independent after the independence, and the Britishers, they just asked them to be independent, not to join India. So India was divided into more than 550 parts at that time when the India got freedom. So the making of the Indian constitution was very much difficult because uh, we have to pacify all the religions. Even as we know कि many of the Muslim families, they have still uh, left in the country, and they have not shifted to Pakistan area. And as many of the new states, they have came up with the independent rule, so the main task before Indian leaders was how the all the independence they states, they join Indian land, or you can say the India. So the making of the constitution, it took more than 3 years, more than 3 years to complete the constitution. The path of the constitution was not so much easy. So the constitution was providing its people with equality, but in reality it was not equal. Yes, my dear friends, at that time one problem was the division of the land. Means the different division was done at that time. Second thing, the division on the basis of caste system, religion. So many things they were there, so it was very much difficult. Where in written constitution, the leaders, they have provided the equality to all, but in reality, or you can say on social basis, it was not equal. Now the people, those who are selected to frame the constitution, they were selected by through an election. So the makers of the constitution feared that it will be possible for India to accept, not possible for Indians to accept the all the conditions in constitution. So now the formation of the, or you can say the making of the Indian constitution. Yes, my dear student, the maker of Indian constitution already know that type of constitution they are having, because at the time of the freedom struggle they have framed some of the rules for making the constitution. Even if I say that in 1928 Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders has already drafted the Indian constitution with some of the rights. Means the framing of the constitution was started in 1928. Even some of the good rules that was framed by the Britishers, they were also accepted by the Indians. Or the experiences gained by Indians working in the legislative institutions under the Britishers, they were also taken as a guidance also. Our constitution adopted many new laws from the British government also, which they feel that they have done something well. So our constitution adopted by the many of the good laws and policies from the constitution of some other democratic countries also. Means the Indian constitution, they have tried to adopt each and every good thing. Maybe it was taken from the other democratic countries, or maybe the other countries they have taken the things, and maybe from the Britishers also. From the Britishers they have adopted many new things, or many good things they have adopted. So the thing is कि they have tried to take all the good things, maybe from anywhere they have collected. So it took near about 3 years to complete that constitution. Now this is all for the day, and many leaders, okay, this is all for the day, and rest of the thing we will discuss in our next video. And then I tell you कि why the constitution, it was announced on 26 Jan 1950. So thank you, it's all for the day. Okay.